Hey guys, I'm Steph and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. You know the drill. Before we begin, make sure you click on that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you never miss one of my video uploads. So far guys, and thank goodness, we are halfway done with 2020. I know all of us are just anxious to get this year over with, move on with our lives, start fresh in 2021. But before we say goodbye to 2020, I want to catch you guys up on some of the things that I've been enjoying this past year. Now, I know we still have a few months left to go, but these are items that I've been enjoying using. Some of them I've used since January. Some of them I've just been using the last few weeks, but I think that they are all definitely worth a mention. As always, guys, I will have links to all of the products that I am discussing in today's video in the description box down below. Some of them will be affiliate links, and if you do end up shopping through those links, I just want to say a big thank you. I do make a very small commission off of some of those links, so anything that you do buy does come back to help me support this channel. So let's get started with this mid-year beauty favorites. If you want to see what I've been loving on all year long, keep on watching. So first up is a concealer, and this is from Makeup Revolution. This is the Conceal and Define Infinite Long Wear Concealer. I have the shade C5 in this one. I reviewed this towards the beginning of the year on my channel, and I will of course have it linked so you guys can check that out. This is what the shade looks like. Now, in reviewing this and wear testing this, I found that I really didn't like this for my under eye area, but I use this almost every day, guys, to spot conceal. I'm actually wearing it today right here on my cheeks. That's the main place where I use this concealer, and I just kind of spot conceal the little areas, discoloration that I have going on. I think it is a really great shade match for me, and it's just been my favorite, my go-to concealer that I've been using pretty much all year for spot concealing those areas that need just an extra little bit of help on my face. This is the extra large size. I think they do make one size smaller than this one. I picked this one up from Ulta Beauty online. Next up is a product that I know so many of you have been loving, and this is the Tower 28 Bronzino. I have the shade West Coast in this one. I did review this and wear test it on my channel. Of course, that will be linked so you guys can check it out. I am wearing it today. Guys, this is such a beautiful, beautiful cream bronzer. If you can find it in stock at Sephora, because I know it is sold out a lot, pick it up. You will not regret it. I use a small stipple brush to apply this with. You'll see if you watch my review video over this, you'll see the brush that I do use to apply this, but it just gives such a beautiful glow, such beautiful warmth to the skin. Tower 28 Beauty is doing some amazing things. I cannot wait to purchase more from this brand and just to see what other new products they're going to come out with. Tower 28 also sells directly off their website, so if this is not available on the Sephora website, definitely check out the Tower 28 website to see if you can find this in stock. Again, this is the Bronzino cream bronzer, and I have the shade West Coast. So next up, I have two different setting sprays, and there are two setting sprays that I like to use together. The first one is the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist. This is the mattifying version of my holy grail Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I use this just about every single day. Like, I don't think I apply my makeup without using this at some point in the makeup routine. But this mattifying one really does a great job at mattifying the skin. It's the same aerosol type. You get the same great application that you do with the original, except that this one mattifies the skin, and I need that because I am a normal to oily skin type. I'm mainly oily in my T-zone area. So the way I use this one is once I'm done with my entire face of makeup, I will spray this right here in the center of my face where I get the oiliest. Then, to bring out the glow right here on the sides of my face, a little bit on my forehead as well, I know it's an expensive one, but I've been loving the Hourglass Veil Soft Focus Setting Spray. Make sure you shake this really, really well because every now and then it'll leave like a little water droplet here, and it just doesn't take off my makeup, but it looks white. So I'm like walking around with a white dot on my face, and I just dab it out and it goes away. It doesn't take off the makeup. But guys, these two together are a really great combination. You get the best of both worlds. You get to stay matte in your oily areas, and then with this one you get to have a nice glow to the rest of the face. I've been using this combination for the last couple months, really have been enjoying it. Of course, you can find Hourglass on their website, at Nordstrom, at Sephora. Morphe is found, of course, on their website and on Ulta Beauty. I picked this one up from Ulta Beauty, but definitely consider this little combo right here. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Next, I have a new mascara. A new mascara I've been trying out, and this is from Essence. Actually, I think this was just released too, maybe about a month ago. This is the Essence Bye Bye Panda Eyes Mascara. It says that it is long-lasting smudge-proof formula. Guys, this does not smudge. It truly does what it says. That is what the wand looks like. I wore this for the first time on 4th of July, and it was super hot. I was like in and outdoors all day long, barbecuing. I was in my jacuzzi, so water was splashing in my face. This didn't budge. It does a pretty good job of curling my lashes and separating them, which is exactly what I want in my mascara. This little beauty right here, guys, this is $5. I picked it up online from Ulta. Essence just makes some of my favorite mascaras. I am planning my top 5 Essence mascara favorites video. That will be up probably sometime next week. If you're looking for a new mascara, you don't want to pay a lot of money, I would definitely check this one out. Guys, next is another recent find, and I mentioned this in my June favorites video. I'm gonna mention it here again because I've been using these products so much, and they are these new eyeliner lash adhesive products, these 2-in-1. This is the Velour Lash and Go. I do have a review on this one as well. I will have it linked so you guys can check it out. This one is more of your traditional eyeliner style applicator. And then the other one I have is the latest one from Lilly Lashes, and this is the Power Liner. I am wearing this one today, and this is the marker style felt tip applicator. Guys, these do what they say they are gonna do. They are excellent eyeliners, and they are even better lash adhesives. My eyelashes stay put throughout the day, and I am a person who doesn't really wear false eyelashes that often. I never really did. Even when I started my channel, I would just wear them every now and then. False eyelashes are not my thing, but because I discovered these 2 new products, as you can see today, I have falsies on, and I've been reaching for my falsies so much more than I have the last couple years, and it's all thanks to these little products. Guys, this one's $23, this one's $20. I definitely would recommend checking out at least one of them, whichever applicator style you're more comfortable with. I don't think you're going to be disappointed. I just cannot say enough great things about both of these products. It's just a genius idea, and it makes applying your false eyelashes that much easier and that much quicker. Next up, I have the new Mega Last lipsticks from Wet n Wild. I have the High Shine formula, which is right here, and then I have the matte formula right here. Guys, I reviewed all of these, all the shades, everything at the start of the year, and this was actually my very first collaboration with Wet n Wild. They sent me all 13 shades in the matte formula and in the High Shine formula for me to try out for you guys. It was just such an amazing experience. And guys, I'm wearing this one today. This one is in the shade Rosé and Slay. Guys, I reach for these just about every single day. They are just so easy to apply. They wear so well, and they come in so many amazing colors. And guys, they're like $2 and $3. I think this one is $3 and the matte formula is $2. Like seriously, you cannot go wrong with these amazing lipsticks. The one I have here in the matte formula, this is in the shade Red Velvet. And that's what it looks like right there. So many beautiful, just wearable colors, guys. I mean, for $2, and look at the packaging on this. It is so, so cute. I would not think that this would be $2. I would think, I mean, at least $5, right? But I mean, Wet n Wild, they just bring us so many great products every year. They just keep getting better and better. I've been reaching for all of the shades all year long, guys. Definitely at least pick up one from the matte, one from the high shine. See which one you're gonna like better. They feel so good on the lips. Even the matte formula is not over drying, anything like that. They're very comfortable lipsticks, and I highly recommend them. I mean, for the price, guys, come on, you can't beat it. So to continue on with lip products, I've been loving this little lip set from e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Retro Paradise lip set, liner, and lip gloss set. Guys, these lip liners, the gloss aside, I'm mainly focusing on the lip liners here. These are some pretty awesome lip liners. Neutral shades and that fun pink, which I didn't have this color in my collection, so that was like the main selling point for me in picking up this little collection. Guys, these lip liners are creamy. They glide on really well. They're not over drying. They last. And you know what? Like the shades that they decided to include, these are some pretty good little neutral shades, guys. I mean, they have like the different tones in here. Let me just swatch the neutral ones. I believe these are already available in store at Target and online as well, but you can see, look at those neutral shades. You have kind of like a peachy toned, a pinky tone, and then a richer brown color. Really pretty, very wearable. And then this pink one goes without saying. Really love this set. Not too crazy about the lip gloss. I mean, it's fine, it works. You compare it with all of the lip liners, but I thought this was a really nice kit to include in the entire Retro Paradise collection. So definitely check it out, guys. I want to say it was definitely no more than $10. Maybe it was like $8 for the 4 lip liners and the lip gloss. Really nice, affordable set from e.l.f. Last but not least, I have 2 eyeshadow palettes that I want to share with you guys, and these were actually recently, like maybe reviewed last week on my channel, and actually both of them are from BH Cosmetics. I recently did a BH Cosmetics haul, and I hadn't shopped from BH Cosmetics in a long time, so I picked up whatever I could, and these 2 palettes have really been standout products from that haul that I did. The first one is the BH Cosmetics Midnight Festival eyeshadow palette. Guys, if you love color and you love the glitter, I would definitely recommend checking this one out. I believe it's on sale for $15. Of course, it'll be linked in the description box. But how pretty is that, guys? I collect all of these festival palettes. This is the 3rd one that I have. I just love them. I love the quality of BH Cosmetics. I love that they can bring us something fun, something colorful, something of good quality at a great price. The second palette that I've been loving from my BH Cosmetics haul is the Avocado Toast palette. Oh my goodness, look at these colors. I just love the color story of this palette. I love the mattes and the shimmer shades. They all perform so well. You can create so many different looks with this, and I mean, who doesn't love avocados? Who doesn't love chips and guacamole? Guys, this is right up my alley. Both of these palettes, I've really been enjoying them. I want to say I have an Instagram tutorial on this palette, so if you're not following me on Instagram, it's at Steff's Beauty Stash. I'd love it if you would follow me on there as well. I do a lot of like quick little tutorial videos on there, and I want to say I did this palette, I used this palette about 2 weeks ago on my Instagram account. This one I have a YouTube video on. Of course, I'll have it linked up above. I want to say that video came out last week of me using this palette and creating 2 different looks from this palette. I can't wait to play around with this some more, and I'm probably going to be uploading a couple more looks using both of these palettes to my Instagram account really soon. So definitely stay on the lookout for that. So guys, that comes to the end of today's video. These are my mid-year beauty favorites, and if I'm not mistaken, all of these products were released some point this year. So I've just really been excited about makeup. I've been more excited about colorful makeup, and I've always loved playing with color, but like somehow like I'm just even more inspired seeing all of these palettes. I've been watching more YouTube videos that focus around colorful eyeshadow looks, and I'm just really excited about makeup right now. Glowy skin, dewy skin, colorful makeup. Yeah, those are my favorite things so far. What are your favorite things? What are some of the things that you have been loving on for 2020? What did I leave out? If there's anything that I need to try, leave me a comment down below. Definitely let me know your thoughts. Guys, just a quick programming note. This will be my last video for this week. I will be back on Monday or Tuesday of next week with a brand new video. Of course, a new speech by Steff blog post will be uploaded next week as well. But I am going to take the next few days off from social media, from YouTube, kind of do some other things that I need to do here at the house, maybe even get away for a little bit. And I'm just gonna spend some time relaxing. And guys, you make sure that you take care of yourselves too. If you need to take a break, you take a break, guys. We need to do whatever we can to keep our mental health in check as well as our physical health. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Have a great rest of the week too. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers. And I will see you all next week. Bye.